In this video, to fix Fortnite crash repeater. So for this, you need to open the Epic Game Launcher and go to profile and click settings. And you scroll down and you can see the Fortnite is there. Click it and click the additional command line and enter slash P3DLL in small letters. So after go back and this you can see the library. Go to library and click the three dot icon and scroll down and go to manage. In this you can see installation is there. Click the folder and it directly go to the game folders. In this, go to click Fortnite game, binary, Win64 and scroll down. You can see Fortnite client game is there. Right click and go to properties and make sure go to compatibility and make sure this should be in disable mode. All the options which you are seeing here, and again go to Fortnite and go to properties, go to compatibilities and same all should be in disable. Then scroll up. You can see easy anti-cheat and right click and go to properties, go to compatibilities and check this. All the things will be in off condition. Then after come back, then go to verify file and click verify. So it's verifying the entire Fortnite files and folders, and if there is any issues it will rectify it. So be patient for a couple of seconds. It will take a few seconds to verify the entire files. And if you have any file issues, then it will not complete, then you can delete the files. After that, reinstall it. Okay, it's completed. So you can see it's completed. Then go to three dot icon and go to option. In this you can see if there is any updated version need to install, means you need to install it and click apply, and after that restart it.